Aku por waklat ke belenda te. Ia berok sangut yara eksenduk jongka. Tang bopet mentah pada ufrai dia. Kam no kecing cencar am. Tip syuk kan long kumna lada. Yap sama mana ni.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki kathong bajongpi ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Uwei urong ba ubalatip kerteng kum uba Phedro Jana ubala sanpu pras nam karta la pente bau la jar ngai na duka arpsan trek ujemang arja punriu haka por san chiteng Janmiet naka Shnong Mawjongka. Hau kurwa balapha du Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills u Vivek's em la pente bau ni urong ba ubala jar ngai u dan ya karenyang ka bajrong san phut lai ka dor khmat ka basairong ubakren dakaktin khasi. La yo ikhadu bo upong daka jacket rong kti ka sweater rong yong tholi ukup dak tupia rong yong batholan saw bat upong dagi juti jri rong yong kinu ki badan jingtep sapang jong u kilaban pentep khamkloi saki pulet lingba ka police control room ha mobile number hnriu no not khandai wei khandai riu saw nyau khandai bat ha ka missing desk crime branch ha mobile number pra lai nyau ar pra ar iwei saw.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shnong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.